Hi guys, another day, another video na punta no. So, hello. Today is October 3, 2024. No, sa mga mag-birthday karong adlaw no or sa mga mag-birthday karong buwan na. I just wanna greet you all a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
So guys, if you curious my outfit no, so first is for this video guys is all about cooking. Cooking. So I have a guide or recipe to how to cook. So guys, now I cook egg. I teach to how to cook egg. What? I prepared 2 eggs and I prepared oil and kaha also. So now we will start no. First step is open the kalan. So mantay kalan sugangan ra dara. So next and get fire. Get fire. So guys, get fire na guys. Next, put the fan.
Huh?
Next, put oil. Hindi ni mao tikman naman. So, okay na guys. So, next is put the egg in heat oil.
Huh?
So, here eggs guys. Hala, di mo. And broke the egg first before you cook. Wait.
What?
Wrong turn. Oh my god. Broke first daw guys. Broke first. Ngani og ay.
No.
And mix it until the egg is cooked.
Huh?
Okay. And add seasoning. So, dara tong seasoning guys. Magic. Okay na ba to? There's something wrong Hi guys, follow and share. Thank you.